Hey there, AI adopter. Today I want to show you something really briefly here, which is the RCP package builder. So if you have some sort of a prompt package that you would like to build and maybe offer to your subscribers or your friends, then this is the tool that I developed that you can do. First of all, what does it do? Okay, imagine this. Once you get to your right-click prompt folder, those are the default prompts, but let's say you have your custom library set up here. You can offer those prompts packages as a download that your viewers can download, like this one, for example. So this is just an example prompt, right? It's called OK. We'll upload it, and then you see at the bottom here, this is a cool prompt pack that we just created. I'll show you how, okay? And then basically people can use this and add it to their personal prompt library. So let's get started here, and I'll show you briefly how that works. It's pretty self-explanatory. What you do is you add a folder, and this is where you would want to have your branding, okay? So let's say this is, let's say my name is Mr. Viral, okay? Mega prompt package. Okay, you can add a little bit of an emoji here in the beginning, whatever that is, and then you add a prompt, okay? Prompt 1, body text of the prompt, right? You can add another prompt, 2, blah, blah, blah. Let's see, 3, and so on and so, blah, blah, blah. You got that. And then you just add this here, I'm Mr. Viral. Okay, this is basically just the way the file is being named. This is not that important, but it's easier than just having to rename it later in your browser. All you do is then you download this here, okay, and then once you have it, you can then go up here and find the package in your download folder or wherever you give it to those people that you advertise this to, and then you can see here are the Mr. Viral Mega Prompt package available to you, just like we have created them here, right? So you have prompt 1 with the body 1. You get the point, right? So this is basically just an easier way to create packages that you can save and share with your friends, with me. I would love to get some of your packages. Check it out. I will host the site and put the link in everywhere where I need to put it, and you can have fun with it. All right, take care. Bye-bye.